PSA is a particle size analyzer based on laser diffraction technology. It provides accurate and repeatable analysis in the range of 40 nanometers to 2.5 millimeters. PSA can perform wet measurements of either liquid or dry samples, or dry measurements of dry samples. Wet measurements are done in a carrier liquid which moves in a closed loop containing the sample tank and the measurement cell. The carrier liquid can be water, organic solvent, or oil, depending on the sample, which can be liquid, creamy, or powdered form. Either way, the particles that are to be measured within the sample must stay intact in the carrier liquid. In other words, the sample needs to be dispersed in the carrier liquid and not dissolved. The measurement is set by choosing the basic parameters in the Calliope software. Those parameters include dispersion settings like stirring and pumping rates, and the ultrasound, analysis type, and others. All of those settings and more are on the same screen, allowing for an easy setup. Before the sample measurement is started, the background is recorded to exclude the noise resulting from the carrier liquid. After the background has been recorded, the user is asked to introduce the sample into the main sample tank. The sample is added little by little until the desired concentration has been achieved. This is clearly indicated by the software. As the instrument detects the diffraction pattern caused by particles flowing through the laser beam, the software interprets the data in order to calculate the particle size distribution and show the result. At the end of the measurement, the results are displayed on the same page with the measurement setup. From this point, the measurement can be analyzed, exported, compared, and reported or even recalculated with different settings. To switch between a wet and a dry measurement, no instrument modification is needed. Both dispersion units are installed within the instrument and are ready to measure at any time, with the choice being done by a single mouse click. In dry measurements, the sample particles fly through the laser beam. The samples are dispersed using compressed air and a Venturi nozzle. After measurement, the samples are collected by a vacuum cleaner. Again, the measurement is set by choosing the basic parameters in the Calliope software. Those parameters include dispersion settings like powder flow and air pressure, analysis choice, and others. All of those settings and more are on the same screen, allowing for an easy setup. Before the sample measurement is started, the background is recorded in order to exclude the noise signal. There is no realignment of the laser needed or warm-up time, as PSA uses robust and permanently aligned solid-state lasers. After the background has been recorded, the sample is introduced in the sample holder mounted on a vibrational device. The sample flow is adjusted in combination with the air pressure in order to achieve the desired obscuration, which is clearly indicated by the software. The measurement is continued. The instrument detects the diffraction pattern caused by the particles flying through the laser beam. At the same time, the software interprets the data, and at the end of the measurement, the results are displayed on the same page with the measurement setup. From this point, the measurement can be analyzed, exported, compared, and reported, or even recalculated with different settings.